Hello and welcome back, my stylish friends. Today I want to show you a quick tip how you can make your foundation chain more plumped. When working in a back loop, your foundation chain is very flat, but if you switch to back bump, you will create super cool foundation chain that will look identical on the bottom as on the top. And that's my favorite method of making stitches in the foundation chain. Once you make your first stitch in the back bump, your foundation chain will align correctly, so all your back bumps will be exposed on the top, and it's very easy to find them. Let me know which one is your favorite method. This is one of mine, and I use this one so often in many of my projects. So let's make a few more stitches and I will show you how the foundation chain look on both sides. And this is my favorite actually when you're making scarves, because you want your scarf to look identical on both sides. Both edges will look identical. Does not matter which stitch you will be using. You're twisting your foundation chain, exposing, kind of like pushing the front and back loop to the bottom of the foundation chain. Okay, let's make one more stitch and I will show you how the foundation chain look like right now. So we have nice stitches on the bottom, exactly the same like the top one. Your foundation chain is no longer flat and is super plumped. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.